excited to make this video where I'm gonna be comparing Obsidian versus Notion. I'm gonna be showing you a couple of things that I got in each, but mostly it's gonna be this cool presentation that I made for you right here, and we're gonna be switching between my face and my screen. So I hope you enjoy this. Now the only thing I can't really offer you is a very unbiased decision towards one or the other. I create a course on Obsidian right now, so I'm creating that course on Obsidian, meaning that I'm definitely going to be leaning towards Obsidian a little bit more, mostly because it's the app that I know the most about. Although I must say there's tons of reasons why I still really like Notion and why I use it for a lot of things. But this is mostly for you if you are a bit undecided on which one you should switch for, whether you need both, and all that kind of stuff. So with that said, we're gonna cover a couple of different points, and I'm gonna be talking about each one of them, okay?